back to working on the water damaged camper. As you guys see, this paint is actually a light blue. I got some touch-ups to do. It might not show it in the pictures. It's a real light blue, like close to sky blue, I don't know. Almost a white. And that's why there's spots. That side, not that bad, but there's a spot right here. If you guys see, the light blue is almost a match to the white. Oh, there's some up there. Almost a match to the white, and when you're painting, you don't really see it. But I went with that. Got this little cupboard in. Got a, excuse the mess. I'm gonna clean it, and then I'll do a complete walkthrough when I get closer to being done. Stove's in. Sink counter's in. You gotta still hook it up. The bed couch. There's actually another piece right here that bolts to that, but I had to get a seal for the water pump, and I gotta finish screwing down the water tank. This actually covers the furnace, which is down here. Yeah, you can see it. That actually covers a furnace, so that is, that's the little cabinets there. I put this bed in because I have it. This is a budget camper, not spending a bunch of money. And, we'll get to that. Upper bed's in. This actually folds down. Like I said, I will do a walkthrough of the camper when I'm getting closer and it's cleaner. But that folds down into a bed for littler kids. Wouldn't put 150-pound person up there. I wouldn't, but some people may. You can. I mean, it's screwed into the wall really, really well. Really, 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 really well. We've been having rain showers, so I haven't got all the skylights in yet. All the walls are going to get touched up, finished up, touched up. The paint I got from a place that sells used or new building supplies. And I bought it. It was some paint that they had made up, and I could still get it. I don't know where they got it from, but they have it mixed up, so you can buy it more. I found, here's the flooring I'm putting in it. Not that good of a video for the floor, but this flooring, talking about a budget, I was driving down the road one day, and somebody had put this flooring and some other wood flooring, or whatever kind of flooring you call this, on the curb for free. It's not damaged. They just upgraded style. I don't think they really like the style anymore. So I ended up getting it. Grabbed it. I was going to use it for another project. But I figured, hey, little camper needs some floor. And I don't want to spend 20, 25 bucks a box for flooring when you get 9 pieces per box. And it really ends really fast after you start buying it. But if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment. I am trying to get my YouTube channel bigger. So as you guys share it or comment, YouTube looks into them more. Dodge Journey Rebuild will come back in the end of September. I'm going to start working on it again. I want to get this little camper done. Get this little camper done. I want to, I have to load up for the auto swap meet. It's at the end of September. I want to get everything loaded up so I can go to the auto swap meet and sell some stuff or find some stuff that I need. I probably won't buy as much as I sell, or I might buy more than I sell. I don't know. Never know with those. But I am getting back to car rebuilds. I will get back to the fire damaged camper. Like I say, I do all these in a budget. So, if I don't have the money for that project at that moment, I won't work on it. I'm still waiting on the company to send me a drill bit. Send me my drill bits back for the high strength steel in the Dodge Journey. I'm trying to drill it. Bits keep snapping. But please like, share, subscribe, comment, and thank you for watching. Short and sweet. Got the flooring down. I haven't done none of the edge. I don't know what I'm going to do about the edge yet. Haven't decided if I'm going to put trim board or if I'm going to just run bead of caulking around it. Like you do in the bathrooms and stuff, I don't know. But I just wanted to show you that it's done. Well, flooring's pretty much done. Still got to cut that vent. That vent's got to be a little bigger than that. I got to bring the shop back out and vacuum out the vent so I can put the vent covers in. It's raining outside, so I can't work on the roof. So I'm going to do little bit of inside work. Do some finishing touches. But hopefully you like this part. The camper is coming along. Excuse the mess. Camper is coming along. I'm getting the trim boards up. If you see the trim board up there, I'm gonna put that trim board up. I gotta still repaint those. I got the trim board in the center. Makes it split. Cover up the seams. Because they did it here. Put one of them boards there, so I figured I'd make my own. And that's what I was doing with the table, so I even put them here. That one's a little wider. And here. But I will see you when I get back to working on it. Update on the water damaged camper. Took it to the auto swap meet because I didn't want to take the big fire damage camper. There's the bed. That actually folds out into a bed. You need two hands, so I'm not going to put that down. That actually folds out into a bed. I don't know. It's pretty strong, so I don't know. It'd probably be alright. Got some finishing things to do. I got to finish that trim up. Got to paint this wall here. Got to paint this wall here. Paint this wall. Cushions, I'm not doing nothing with. We actually threw a for sale sign up on this at the swap meet, and the people that looked at it kind of likes it as it is. But I just want to. I'll probably just do all the finishing touches to it. There's some painting to do, some outlets to do. Here's where the furnace is down there, the storage cabinet. I still got to cut out this vent here. Paint that area there. Paint there. Put another coat of paint on that. Refrigerator works. Got ice cold. Works on gas and electric. It works good. AC unit works good. Had it plugged in. All the water works. Hot water heater, I think, has a pressure sensor that's bad. Or something. I don't know. Because it was dripping water out of the when they overheat. I can't think of the name right off the bat, but when they overheat, it was leaking out of there, so I just shut it down. All the other water works though. Yeah, you actually go inside this cabinet and you can turn bypass the hot water heater, so it's just bypassed. It's just a couple of valves. Here's a cabinet here. It's got some miscellaneous stuff in it. The bathroom. There's a shower. I'm not doing nothing to this room besides finish hooking up the MaxxAir fan. Running longer wires to it, so I got it done. Put a vent cover on it, and it'll be good. Fridge works. Stove works. Here's another cabinet here. Another cabinet. There. Microwave works. Everything needs cleaned, but I actually have an interest in it. There's some people that are actually interested in it as it is, but I told them I would like to finish a few things, like the little bit of trim work, like up here, finish up the little things, so I can call it good for my half. Then they can do whatever they want. They may repaint it, who knows. But yeah, if you like this video set, please let me know. I do have some other things coming along, and we'll get back with you as soon as I get the camper done. I am working on the Dodge Journey GT Collision. I worked on gray water tank on the fire rebuild camper, so I'm working constantly. I actually got a truck outside that has some computer issues that I'm working out. But if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching.